Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will tell you how to fix TikTok no network connection problem. Follow the step, don't skip video, solve your problem. First of all, open your mobile phone settings. Check that you have an active internet connection. Now tap on connection. If you are connected to the Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on Wi-Fi name and tap on forget and connect it again and go back. If you are connected with mobile data, now tap on mobile network. Now tap on network mode and select LT auto connect and go back and scroll down. Now tap on your mobile phone about, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings and tap on reset settings and go back. After this, restart your device and check that your problem will be fixed. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.